It's happening.
Oh! We'll make it.
Something's
We'll make it.
happening.
Okay, the ring has started. It's pulsing.
Whoa!
Oh!
Yo,
What's
this is
happening?
actually perfect.
Oh!
Are you?
This is so
It's happening!
Oh!
I told
He
you.
is.
I told.
Southwest. Southwest. There's a huge figure in the.
Yeah, of course we can see it, Cypher, the plane. Dude, what is he doing?
He's summoning monsters, dude.
Yo! What is that whoosh?
I'm staying in the plane. Are you guys all staying in the
What is
plane?
that?
He's gonna cover the whole map in snow and this.
Yo, dude.
Snowstorm. Darude.
Look, yo, I can't see.
My screen's frozen.
Same?
He just punched me in the face.
Did you just cover the whole map with snow?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
Come on,
it
open your
just changed.
mini-map.
It just changed.
Yeah,
the whole map is
just like-
changing. Oh.
What
Is that
happening?
it?
Is that it?
There's definitely zombies down there. Watch your step.
Watch you. Be careful, dude.
Should we land at?
I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I wanna survive this.
Alright. I'm coming.
How is this guy floating in the air?
What the?
That was sick. We were in the perfect
Just
spot.
that. Be right back.
Wait, he's moving. Oh, he just. I'm not there.
Oh.
Oh!
Wait, where is he? Where is he? That's it? Oh, he just covered the map. Oh, he covered the map with snow. That's it? That's it?
Wait, that's all that's all that happened?
He just covered the map with snow?
That's it? Oh. Missed it, and then this is it. Is that it?
That's it? That's it?
Yo, you guys there?
That's it.
That was it?
That's it.
Nothing even happened.
The map got covered with snow. by the
Is there
ice thing.
any? Is there like minions running around or something?
I'm in a game and it's just the map's covered with snow and it's very foggy and you can't see anything. That's it. The sword's still there, the dude's gone, the map's covered with snow.
Cloak, you and I should have stayed in that one.
Yeah, I know, we should have. That's it. That was the whole thing. Chat saying look for zombies?
I mean, I'm gonna try and queue solo real fast and just see if I can find something.
They're the giant Ice King 10 stories. I'm in the solo right now.
I'm in a solo right now too.
I'm the bad guys.
Okay, good.
Here we go! Whoa!
Oh, Ice King's out.
Ice King, what are you doing?
Wait, there's something.
Oh, what the hell?
What the?
What's he doing?
Yeah, nah. Yo, chill. He's about to hit you.
What's he doing? Yeah, dude, I'm down. Hit me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's he gonna do?
Oh.
Ah! I've been rammed by another plane. Uh-oh.
Holy.
Uh-oh.
Can you,
Everything's
like,
icy.
fly? It looks so laggy.
It's an ice storm.
Where's the dragons?
Where is the dragons? Is that it?
No way.
No, it can't be it. That's not
Oh, the
standard
whole
Fortnite
map's snow.
fashion.
The whole map's snow.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
No, where's the dragons?
Oh, what's going on here?
lightning.
What's that? Is that
Oh,
zombies?
it's the zombies. It's the zombies.
It's the zombies. The zombies are back, boys! Woo! All right.
Yep.
I wonder what happens now.
Don't tell me the game's always gonna be like this. No.
That would. Wait, I heard a dragon. I could have. Might have been the zombies though.
Yeah. I swear, if it's gonna always be like foggy,
Check the dragon egg.
that means
Well,
you lose the plane though.
Yeah, no, I don't want to check the dragon egg just yet.
Oh, come
Wow,
on, there's
so
gotta be more than that.
There's got to be more than that. It looks like so all the zombies started spawning. But what's so cool about that? Like, I'm gonna take it down and see what happens. Yeah, it's the same lot of zombies as the last ones.
It's just-
Okay.
They're just icy.
Icy zombies, I guess. Oh. And then he slap it, you know?
Give it a go, I'll slap.
Oh, he's doing like Ride the Pony a little bit, you know? Winding up. And then... Oh, there's the storm. Coming in with him. I see. Alright, I want to see parts of the map.
Alright, apparently nothing happened to the eggs.
Oh,
According
really?
to- Yeah.
Alright, so this is the perspective of the map changing. So I'm in Lazy Links right now. And yeah, it just all turns to white. That's crazy. Interesting.
Numb in my face, I woke up to the sun. Calling my name, she want me on her tongue. I cannot stay, I know you're not the one. All to myself, yeah, I'm okay.